Well, hello everyone. Ron Harrison here from the Unlimited Success Agency and Unlimited Success Financial. We're part of the Five Rings Financial Company, and Five Rings Financial has representatives just like me, about 10,000 of us all around the country. We focus on helping middle Americans with their money. And we don't live on the risk side, we live on the safe side. These days, with the way our economy goes and from year to year and things like that, it's really important to have some of your money safe, some of your assets protected. That's what we help people with. So many times in our lives, as we're going along, whether it's a job or relationship or whatever it is, and our finances, we often just keep doing the same old thing. And what do we get? The same results, right? Our finances are no different. So I think you could understand that knowledge goes a long way no matter what area of our life we're talking about. So in this case, we're going to talk about how we can be empowered to have a better financial future. And with your finances, knowledge is power. So I guarantee if you learn a little bit more about some of the topics I'm going to talk about, you will be able to yourself up for a better financial future. So let's look at how we can get our ducks in a row. First of all, individual life insurance. That's one of the things that we do. Unfortunately, most people who have life insurance through work, maybe about 60 or 70% of people. And life insurance through work quits the day that you're no longer at that employer, or the employer can stop offering it, right? Then what do you do? What if you're at an age where you cannot be covered by something else? So we help people set up individual life insurance plans that they control that can never ever be taken away once they're set up. Mortgage protection plans. This is extremely important. All of us know at least someone who had a major accident, illness, a disability, were out of work for an extended period of time, 3, 6, 12 months or longer, and they got some disability money, but that probably didn't even pay the mortgage on their house or even the rent on their house, right? So then their house was at risk. So we help people set up mortgage protection plans through a life insurance policy that can pay that for them if they can no longer work. Really an amazing product. And it has saved hundreds and thousands of homes when people couldn't work and earn the money that they were used to earning to make their house payments. Index college savings plans. These are extremely important because we know the cost of education is going up every year, right? Borrowing money for college is getting to be more and more difficult. There's Uncle Sam controls it. There's a lot of hoops to jump through and things like that. So we work with index college savings plans, and the nice thing about them, they go up when the stock market goes up. They go level, stay level when the market crashes. So as opposed to having money in an at-risk 529 college savings plan or something like that, index plans work out much, much better for people in the long run. Living benefits protection. Living benefits is a kind of life insurance that you don't have to die to use. It acts just like old-fashioned life insurance. If the worst thing happens, your beneficiaries get the face value of that policy. But with living benefits life insurance, you can get money if you have critical, chronic illness, critical injury, terminal diagnosis, in many cases, Alzheimer's diagnosis. So it's just incredible what living benefits can do. So I would encourage you to at least find out what $1, $2, or $3 a day could do. You might be surprised how you could get 3, 4, 500, or even $1 million of living benefits life insurance to put into place. And that goes along with the first thing I talked about. That ends up being your individual life insurance policy. So getting living benefits, you can knock off 2 of the things on this list right now. It can also act as mortgage protection. So you can knock that off the list too, right? Flex cash tax-free accounts. I believe in being tax-free. right now, no matter when you're watching this, it doesn't matter if it's 2024, 2035, it doesn't matter because we know taxes are going to go higher, 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 higher every year, right? It's just how it is. They're going to be higher in the future. So wouldn't it be nice to pay your taxes now, never have to pay them again? It's almost like getting a discount on your taxes, isn't it? So we have these flex cash plans that can act as supplemental retirements for people. They can act as savings accounts. They're really amazing products. So for those of you who have 401ks at work, 401ks, they're fine, except that they're in the stock market roller coaster. Plus, who controls the 401k? Uncle Sam controls the 401k. Your money is at risk, as I mentioned. Plus, when you quit, retire, get fired, or whatever it happens to be, your 401k, the company just washes their hands of you. Most 401ks run out in 8, 9, or 10 years. Well, a lot of people like to supplement that with the flex cash plans. So find out about those. It's an awesome way to build tax-free money. You'll never ever pay taxes again. It's an incredible plan. Index 401k, 403b, IRA rollovers. So we take those rollovers you have from your current job or previous job, and we do a tax-free rollover into an index plan. So you are protecting your money. You can never ever be, let's say you have 200,000 in your 401k, you roll that in, you will never ever have less than 200,000 due to what the stock market does. Your money is no longer at risk. That is really, really a smart money move, right? So find out about those index rollovers with us. Small business asset protection. Small businesses, one of the main reasons small businesses go out of business is because something happens to the ownership, the partners, or whatever it happens to be. Well, we help put plans into place that can protect those business assets. Really an important feature that everybody in small business needs to have. Owner retirement plans. Many times, small business owners, they're focused the first 5, 10, 15, or even 20 years of their business, they're focused on sales and getting the business going and all of that. They're not focused on their own retirement, are they? So we help small business owners set aside at least a start. Just start with $100 a month, $100 a week, whatever it happens to be, and then you can have a tax-free retirement later in life if you choose, or retirement for your partnership, whatever it happens to be. Really important thing to start early as your business starts growing. Small Business Employee Benefits Program. That's one of our specialty areas where we help people set up these plans for two reasons. Employee retention is number one. The second reason is employee attraction. If you want to get the best people, the cream of the crop to come work for you, you need to offer better benefits, don't you? So we can do this for small business and for large business. Get those plans set up. And one of the challenges with this is that many states are starting to require small businesses to at least expose their employees to retirement plans of some sort. Well, then you're stuck in a state-run plan. Who wants that? Or state-regulated plan? Nobody wants that. So we help you set up plans that you can control. You can choose to fund them or not, depending on how you want to set it up. You don't have to fund them at all, just have 100% employee contribution. But at least you can help your employees get that set up, right? So there's just some of the things that we do to help you get your ducks in a row financially. And if you can't do all of these things, obviously most people can't do all these things. A lot of these things are combined into one plan. So that's why you want to reach out to get more information to see how these things work. So I encourage you to continue to fill out the financial planning interest form, and we will send you more information about the topics that you choose. There's no obligation. Nobody's ever going to call unless you give us your phone number. We'll just email you information, maybe email you a couple of video links so that you can explore a little bit more about what these types of plans do. So thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.